more qualifier to come. All about the debut of
my soon-to-be hip-hop single?
I was gonna say the Gauntlet. Oh.
We'll be right back with Discovery Family.
Time starts now. Top dessert chefs use their skills and creativity to whisk away the judges by using one simple ingredient: ice cream. John, how was it? But only one winner will ice out the competition. King of Cones. Today, starting at 3 p.m. on Discovery Family. Simply the best.
This is Now Gold. Simply the best from the best. 80 feel-good songs. Uplifting, inspirational classics. Now Gold. Now that's what I call music.
Natasha, not just a spy, but an avenger. I couldn't be more proud of you.
You smell really bad.
On July 9th.
What brings you home, sister?
I have unfinished business.
We're family. We fight with you. The wait is finally over.
Why do you always do that thing when you're fighting? You're a total poser.
I'm not a poser.
Black Widow, rated PG-13. Parents, tickets and pre-orders available now. Experience at July 9th.
We've got to find them, but they're helping him defeat the Decepticons.
Look, it's the Headmaster Autobots.
Incredible!
Yes, the driver of the vehicle actually becomes the head of the robot.
Headmaster Transformers, much more than meets the eye. The Transformers.
Each Headmaster Autobot displays a readout of its power. Nothing's better than going to battle with Headmaster Transformers, sold separately from Hasbro.
Happy, happy nappers, happy, happy nappers, happy nappers, sleepy sacks.
They're Happy Nappers, the perfect play pillows that pull open to a sleepy sack surprise. Every Happy Napper goes from the perfect play pillow to a super soft sleepy sack with a simple pull and zip. And then your child can snuggle up and nap inside of it. They're your go-anywhere friends that play with you all day. Then when it's time to sleep, just pull on their feet. Sleepy time, playtime, anytime is Happy Napper time. And when the napping is done, they easily fold back in for even more fun.
I love it so much.
You can get your Happy Napper for $39.99 plus $4.99 processing and handling. Plus, you'll get a digital storybook free with your paid order. There's so many Happy Nappers to choose from. For even more fun, we'll lower the price when you get more than one. You can log on at happynappers.com to get yours. Sold separately. Must be 18 or older to order.
I have ripped over 249 costumes. I have survived 4,286 pratfalls. I have been hit by 5,264 anvils. But I do it again and again and again every weekday because it's funny.
We're back with Discovery Family.
I did a voiceover where I had to say humiliating, and I kept saying humiliated, and it was humiliated.
Don't have it.
It was really awful.
Welcome back to Wipeout. I'm John Cena, here with the one and only Nicole Byer. Nicole, we've seen the first several teams run through the qualifier. Any initial thoughts?
Well, John, I think we've learned a couple of things. Over the last 7 years while the show has been away, technology has advanced by leaps and bounds. Social media has become a global phenomenon, and we put a woman of color in the White House. And yet, human coordination skills haven't evolved much.
If anything, they've gotten worse.
Oh, it's true.
Who's our next team?